Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss about Final Punch KCET 2020 series Biomolecules chapter. Here I have solved 2013 to 2019 papers. But before solving this, what we have to do is you have to see my previous video that is on Biomolecules synopsis part for CET or NEET. So if you see that particular video correctly, then all these questions will be very easy for you. Because this is the one chapter where it needs your memory power. Remember that. There is no problems, there is nothing. So only memory power is needed. You have to read that once so that you can solve all these questions very easily. Yes, first we'll start with the vitamin that helps in clotting of blood is. See that table I have given. In that last, if you see, I have given this particular table. In the synopsis also I have explained. So this table you have to remember. So we know that vitamin that helps in clotting of blood is K, remember. So vitamin that helps is K. Second one, which of the following is water insoluble? Very simple question. See, vitamin C is water soluble. Amylose is water soluble. Glycine we don't know. Because amino acid there we will never discuss about solubility. But it may soluble, may not soluble, but you have to know about fibrous protein. I told fibrous protein and globular protein. Globular protein is water soluble, but fibrous protein is water insoluble. Hence the answer for this question is A. If they have given this option means definitely glycine is also water soluble. Hence fibrous protein is water insoluble. Remember that. Then third question. In nucleic acid, the nucleotides are joined together by. So remember, joined together by very famous, very simple phosphodiester linkage. Remember, B is the answer. Phosphodiester linkage. Then question number 4. So glycosidic linkage involved in the linking glucose units in amylose part of starch. First of all, remember amylose part of starch is having only alpha D glucose units. Hence, there is no possibility of beta. So hence remember that. So alpha D glucose units, how they connected to each other? How they connected to each other? If you see in this particular case, remember there is alpha linkage between C1 and C4. So the answer for this question is D. The two forms of D-glucopyranose are called as 2-form means alpha and beta form. Remember, alpha and beta form means they are changed in C1 carbon. So C1 carbon configuration, if it is changed, that is, we will call it as, remember, anomers. So fifth one, the answer is B. Then sixth one, which of the following base present in DNA? Very simple. Which of the base present in DNA? So in this, not present in DNA, which is present in only RNA, that is uracil. Very famous question, and in theory also it was very, very important. Definitely you could have read that in the theory exams also. Uracil is the answer. Remember that. Then seventh question, hormone which containing iodine. I told in the hormone case, I have given the table once again. You can see the previous biomolecule synopsis part. So thyroxine is the one which is iodine containing hormone. So answer is D. Then eighth question. See, I have written the year also. You can refer that 2019 3 question, 2018 3 question, and 2017 1 question, and 2017 another 2 questions we will discuss now. Pick the wrong statement from the following is 2017 asked question. Pick the wrong statement from the following. So, see in this particular case, consumption of citrus fruits and green leaf vegetable prevents scurvy. Definitely, because scurvy is the disease which is due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C means citrus fruits. So hence it is correct. But we want wrong. Deficiency of vitamin B6 results in convulsions. Remember, we will hold this. Because this is the one, vitamin B, if you see, there are so many vitamin B1, B2, B4, B6 like that. So convulsions, definitely it is a very famous one. Convulsions, they have asked once the question also on this. So remember that. Source of vitamin B1 are yeast, milk, green vegetable, etc. Definitely vitamin B1 source is right. But if you don't know about these two also, what I am telling, remember, listen that carefully. If you don't know about these also, deficiency of vitamin D causes xerophthalmia is definitely wrong. We know that xerophthalmia is because of vitamin A deficiency, night blindness. So hence remember, answer for this wrong statement should be B. Hence remember, you should not lose your confidence by seeing the question. So now what happens is, most of the time, whatever you have read, that definitely is going to help you in the exam. So hence, if you don't know about all the four statements, but whatever you know that should be correctly known, that is vitamin A, then xerophthalmia, vitamin A, but they have given vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. You know that, osteomalacia or rickets. So the answer for this is D. Then glycosidic linkage present between sucrose, present in sucrose between, remember. So sucrose is made up of what? Remember, alpha glucose is correct. Alpha glucose and beta fructose. Remember that. Alpha glucose and beta fructose. So very important, remember, in case of the sucrose, C1 of alpha glucose attached to C2 of the beta fructose. Hence the answer for this question is A. Then 10th one, which of the following correct about hydrogen bonding in DNA? So you have to remember this, and definitely if you read this 4 to 5 times loudly, if you shout this, remember, that should hear by yourself itself. So that is ATGC, remember, ATGC, AUGC, if it is this RNA, if it is DNA, ATGC, AT will have 2 hydrogen bond, GC will have 3 hydrogen bond, so ATGC, so answer is A, remember, 10th question. 11th one, which of the following gives positive Fehling's solution test? See, Fehling's solution test is given by, remember, aldehydic group if it is present, free aldehydic group should be present. Sucrose is non-reducing sugar, right? So it is not the answer. Fats and proteins will never go for Fehling's solution. So definitely left out with only glucose. Answer is glucose. 2016 asked question it is. Then glycogen is very important. Structural polysaccharide? No. Structural polysaccharide is, remember, cellulose. Structurally similar to amylopectin, structurally similar to amylose. So out of 2, 1 should be the answer. So we know that if your theory is strong, definitely it is amylopectin is the answer. And polymer of beta D, it remember glycogen contains alpha D units. So hence the answer is B. Then adenosine is an example of, see, when the question is given like this. Purine base, pyrimidine base. Generally adenosine just will think about purine or pyrimidine. Fine. But adenine is the base, remember, nitrogen base. Adenine is the base, purine base, not adenosine. Adenosine is known as nucleoside. Remember, nucleoside is nothing but, in that particular case, adenosine we call it as base and sugar component. Base and sugar component we will call it as adenosine. Like that, adenosine, guanosine, like this adenosine, guanosine, it is there as a nucleoside, remember. So answer for this question is nucleoside. Next, 14th question. Chylosis and digestive disorder are due to the deficiency of. Remember, this is the one disease which is because of vitamin B complexes, right? So ascorbic acid is C. Pyridoxine is a hormone, it is not the answer. Thiamine is vitamin B2. So vitamin B2, you can see that vitamin I have given this, see, vitamin B2, thiamine, and riboflavin is vitamin B2. Sorry, B1 is thiamine, so B2, riboflavin. Hence, the answer for this particular question should be riboflavin. Remember, answer D. One of the following is an essential amino acid. So this you have to remember once again. There is no shortcut. So 1 or 2 example, if you remember also enough. If you say leucine, isoleucine, I have told. So answer for this is isoleucine. That is 15th question. 2015 asked the question. Then last 2 question, 2014 and 2013. 2014, the statement that is not correct is, remember, first one, aldose and ketose sugar in alkaline solution do not isomerize. Carbohydrates are optically active. Pentaacetate of glucose does not react with isohydroxylamine. Lactose has glycosidic linkage between C4 of glucose and C1 of galactose. Remember, we know that. So lactose point which is given, lactose has glycosidic linkage between C4 of glucose and C1 of galactose is correct statement. Pentaacetate of glucose does not react is also correct, remember. So carbohydrates are optically active is It is also correct because carbohydrates have this chiral carbon atom, and first one is the wrong one because it will undergo isomerize, that we call it as Mucha rotation, remember. So aldose and ketose sugars, alkaline medium do not isomerize is wrong. So the answer for this question is B, wrong statement. 17th, last question. Glucose when reduced with HI and red phosphorus. Very famous one. Very important. Very simple. Glucose when reduced with HI and red phosphorus gives, remember, N-hexane. N-hexane. Very important. You have to perfect with this. So this completes biomolecules chapter. So next I will come up with another different chapter. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.